O pagpasalamat for the 66 wonderful years. To give our welcome address, let's call on Mama Luz's son, Kuya Steve.
Good jokes.
So, hello everyone. Good evening. First of all, thank you for coming. So today we're here to celebrate the very special woman, no other than my mom, on her 66th birthday. And first of all, Mama, salamat sa tanan nimong love and imong sacrifices. Dili lang sa imong family, pero sa tanan, including sa atong relatives. And I just can share little before na kung sa imong sacrifices na mo, you were, kasi tawag ka na, inatay. You were the father and the mother for us. Okay, we know that my Papa Bots was working on the seas, and I was very proud na di stand up to the panamo niya, or to consider na all boys me, all three boys. So, mo na siya. And then, you've always been there for us, including my relatives, guiding us with your patience, kindness, and your wisdom. Your words, your actions, they have taught us so much about life. And including at your age now, you continue to inspire us with your grace and your caring heart. Kanang makaibaw dito ni tanan, like ako atong mga kaparintihan, kung naa sila, let's say, need silang help, like naa sila, let's say, naa sila sa hospital baron, naa-adjud ka dara, permittive, naa-adjud ka mo assist. And then, maka-remember ko kung sa kakahapon, di ko makalimot na every Christmas or New Year, muhatag ka o gift sa kanang bisag sa kanang basurerohan, kanang mga basurero na mo-collect o basura. Tugtog si mama, muhatag na siya og something para nila. And then also, even katong just recently, ni adto mi sa Golden Haven, the efforts gid siya na mupalit og something para lang sa katong security guard. Nipalit siya og kanang snacks. So, mo na siya. You taught us so much on how to be thoughtful. And then we are so blessed here to have you. And we are grateful for every moment that we've shared and every lesson that you have taught us. For this, I want to greet you a happy birthday. And may this year still bring you good health, peace, and most especially your happiness. We love you today and always, Ma'am. Happy birthday.
Truly, kanang-narrate ni Kuya kung unsa gyud si Mama Luz para sa ato. Our birthday celebrant, Mama Luz, means light or kahayan. And truly, she lives up to her name.